okay, it fell apart. I got more coffee. I got more coffee.
McKay. Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another month of Daily Goodie Box, and this time this one is for the month of September. Now everything in here is completely free. There are some samples in here. There may be some full-size items in here, but it just depends. It changes each month, and I am so excited to show you guys what is inside. So if you're interested in signing up, you can visit dailygoodiebox.com, and I will have all of the information across the screen so that you guys can know more about it. Also guys, you have a great opportunity at getting a chance of getting a Daily Goodie Box by staying active on their social media, aka their Facebook. So yeah, like I said, I'll have everything available. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get into this. So this is from Koi Organic Kombucha. Koi Organic Kombucha. Okay, and this is the mango, and they said that this is a flavored sparkling beverage. Why do I have a feeling with mango plus sparkling this is going to be good? Hear that fizz? Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, a very strong smell of mango. Wow. I better stop before I drink this whole thing. So they said this is packed with probiotics. Regardless of what is in here, okay, we want to know about the taste when we see stuff like this. And let me tell you, this is absolutely delicious. This is so good. This is something that you can drink like it is now, room temperature, but I bet you this is even better when it is cold. Oh my God. I think I found my new drink. Yes, that's a good way to start off this box. Oh, something lost its top. Something lost its top. So, oh, okay. I'm already excited. We need this at these times. So this is the Trilogía. I think I murdered that name. Hands cleanse. So this is crafted in Santa Cruz, California. And this is 70% alcohol. So this is good. Definitely something that we need in these times. And it smells good. It says it's 70% alcohol in here, guys. Yet, it doesn't smell like it. Okay, so far so good. Let's get into the next one. So this is an energy bar. This is a coconut energy bar from Roccaroons. It says eat, win, repeat. So this is a mint double chocolate. Why do I have a feeling this is going to be good? But we'll see. You guys know my protein bar track record. I do love this packaging though. Very pretty. And, oh, okay, it fell apart. Okay, it fell apart before I had a chance to really get it. Let me see if you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm just going to take this piece here. I have to smell everything. Don't ask me why, I just do. I have to smell it before I taste it. It's not bad. It's just overpowering. It's very strong. The flavors are very rich, especially that coconut, especially that chocolate. It hits you as a sweetener at first, but then it kind of gets bitter towards the end when you're chewing it. So it's strong. Yeah, and I'm tasting that mint as well. So I mean, it basically is everything that it says it is. But I just think it's okay. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not amazing. It's just right there in the middle. Right there in the middle. So I have another item here. This one is RawRev Glow, and this is a crunchy peanut butter and sea salt protein bar. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. Looking at it, that is not the most appealing look. It has a very kind of wet look to it. This is not a bad protein bar. It does still have that aftertaste in it, but it's not bad. Essential Oxygen BR Rinse. So this is an organic mouthwash. So this is for whiter teeth and fresher breath. I need this after all those protein bars, right? I do want to see what it smells like. Oh, it's strong. Very strong. It's clear. Clear mouth rinse. It smells good. It's a wintergreen scent. Yeah, it's a wintergreen fresh scent. Smells really good. It's in clear, and basically you shake it, brush your teeth, put it in your mouth, swish it around, spit it out, and go. You guys know how it works. So this is EyePromise Screen Shield, and it is used to help naturally defend eyes from the effects of screen time. Yeah, something my teenager needs because she stays in front of the computer. But yeah, it comes with 30 chewable tablets. Now that's the difference there. The one that I had for the adult is not chewable, but this one is. I do remember them being big, so I'm wondering what these look like. So this is what it looks like, and like I said, this is a chewable tablet used to promote good screen habits. So they say fall into good screen habits with EyePromise. So yeah, thanks guys. Let's see what else we have here. I love coffee. I just had coffee this morning. I love coffee. So I'm excited. This is that's cute. It's called Monkey Business Coffee. See the little logo there? And this is freshly roasted coffee beans from, is it Kopi Luwak? And this is produced in Indonesia. I'm so excited about this. I want to see what it smells like. Oh my God. That smells so good. I love this packaging, by the way. But yeah. And if you're interested in anything that I am showing here in this video, I always have all the information for every single one of these products down below in the description box with the links that you guys can click and check them out if you're interested in purchasing it. So I got more coffee. I got more coffee. So this one is from Shangri-La Coffee. I love that name. Love this packaging. This is also Kopi Luwak freshly roasted coffee beans. Look how cute this package is. Yeah, they do. I love this brand here of these face masks. I have so many of these. As a matter of fact, I think maybe a couple of years ago I did a beauty mask video, and I basically just showed me trying out these different ones from Cubella. So this is Cubella Professional, and this is the Illuminating Rose Quartz Glitter Peel Mask. Oh, it is so soft. It is so soft. They said it's enriched with rose quartz. But I will try to see if I can get this and maybe add it into the video and show you guys what it looks like on me. But how cute is that packaging? So pretty. But yeah, once again, an amazing box. And guys, like I said, this is from the Daily Goodie Box. All the information will be down below in the description box. If you guys are interested, don't forget to like, be active on their Facebook page. Also check out their official dailygoodiebox.com website. Get signed up. Take advantage of those surveys in hopes of getting you a box just like this. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you all with a new one next month. Bye.